Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you are all doing well. So now that we've set up our Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, I wanted to set up the Google Wallet and the contactless payment. So I thought I'll do a video and walk you through the process and show you the steps just to do the quick payment for public transport or a quick payment at the shops. So let's get started. So to start off, we need to install Google Wallet. So we'll go into the Play Store and I've searched for Google Wallet and have it ready here. So we just go and install. And now it's installing. Okay, it's installing. So it's been installed. So I'm going to click on Open. Allow Google Wallet to send you notification. I'm going to allow. Screen lock is required to use Google Play. Yeah, I'm going to just click on the tick. And then lock type. Do you want a pattern or the pin? So I'm going to go with the pin. Unlock without tap after pin entered. I'm going to select that just to make it easier. And then say set up pin. And then it's asking me to set up the pin. So I'll do that. Enter the number and come back. So I've put the number in. I'm just going to click on that button here, which indicates next. It's asking me to enter again, which I'll do that again. It's done. So it does it twice to verify. And it's saying now, pay contactless wherever you see these symbols. And then to pay, open Google Wallet and select a card. Hold watch face to the reader near the NFC symbol. And then it's done. When you hear a chime or the watch buzzes, so every time you hold your watch against the payment, you'll either buzz or chime. It means the payment's been done. And then you're ready. Okay, so we'll click on this. Okay, now so the Google Wallet has been installed on the watch. Now we need to add a card to that wallet in order to pay contactless. So I'm going to add, and when you do that, it'll automatically say please continue on your phone. So it'll automatically come on the phone as well. So I've got the phone here, and on the phone it says get fast secure access to your everyday essentials, pay contactless everywhere that Google Pay is accepted, use public transport and more, all with just your watch. And here we've got add to watch, so we're going to click on that. So here, the next page, you've got add existing card. So we already have some cards on the wallet that we use. I'm going to obviously have this bit blurred because it's got our personal detail. So we've already have 2 cards installed on the Google Wallet. If you want to add a new card, all you do is add a new card. But as we have a card already added, I'm going to add the existing card. So I'm going to select this Visa card, which is now going through the process of installing. And on the hand, it says on your phone, confirm card details. So on the phone is asking for the security code, which I'll put in. Again, this part is blurred because it's got our personal information. So I'll put the details in and come back. So then we're going to click on more. So here we've got the details about the terms and condition, read through, and then save and continue. So I'm going to click on save and continue. And it's doing the, well, on the phone is saying contacting bank. So on the watch it also said to accept issuer terms, which is this here. So the terms and condition of the bank is here. Have a read through. I'm just going to accept. So click on accept. And then it's processing the card details, and on the watch is contacting the bank, and it will take a few minutes. On the watch it says on your phone verify that it's you, so they want to confirm that it's us. So it's asking choose how you'll verify. Your bank wants to confirm that it's you, so either through a text message or a call. We'll go with the standard text message and then continue. And it's saying to put in a code that's been texted to us. And we've got the code here. We're going to allow for that to be filled in. And as you can see on the watch, the card is already showing up because we've confirmed it. And here it says you're ready to pay with your watch. So it's all done. And we're just going to say OK to confirm. And it's saying to verify it's you. So we're going to do that. So on the watch, it says set Google Pay as your payment default to make contactless payment. And on the phone, we're going to verify. So that's it. My husband just verified. That should be done soon. Oh, there you go. It's done. So here it's saying Google Wallet, card on the watch. We've got the Visa as default. And then we can add more if you want. We've got more cards on the wallet. We'd add those later. You get a message from your bank to say, thanks for adding your Barclays card to your Google Wallet. You can now make payment with Google Pay. Search Barclays Google Pay for more information. And then show on the phone, block notification. You can do whatever you like on those. Yeah. And then that's done. So now the phone part is done. I'm just going to quickly show you on the watch. So we're going to double click on the top button, and then here, as you can see the message earlier that I showed you, set Google Pay as your payment default to make contactless payments. So we're going to tick on that. So it's asking default wallet app. We're going to select Google Wallet. This wallet is for the Samsung wallet, so we're not going to do that. We're just going to stay with the Google Wallet. So that's done, and then there you go. You've got your card there, and then if you want to add another card, you just do add and then go through the same process again and then add another card if you wish. So that's it really. So to make a payment anywhere in the shop, public transport, wherever there's a NFC payment, all you do is double click on the top button, which is set up for default for a contactless payment, and you hold your card against the reader like this, and it will basically take payment for your card. By the way, just to let you know, there's a new update on the Google Wallet where if you're using the public transport, you don't have to actually go in to open the wallet. All you do is hold your watch against the public transport reader to make your payment, and it automatically takes the payment. So you don't actually have to do this anymore. Open up the wallet, it will just automatically take the money from your wallet. We'll show you that in action when we use the public transport. We haven't actually used it ourselves yet. We just saw the recent update, so we'll try it out and see how it works. So that's all for today, guys. I've got a lot more content coming up on this watch and the Fold 7 as well. So do subscribe and keep your notification bell on for our upcoming videos. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for supporting us. We'd like to grow our channel, so please continue to support us by subscribing, commenting, giving our video a like, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.